Today we are going to study transitive and intransitive verb. Transitive verb. When a verb passes over from the doer or subject to some object, it is a transitive verb. It means that when an action is received by some object, that is a transitive verb. For example, the boy kicks the ball. Okay, the subject of the sentence or the doer of an action is boy. The action done is kicks and it is received by ball. The boy kicks the ball. Then the driver stopped the train. The doer of an action is driver or the subject is driver. Action is verb is stopped and it is being received by the object train. So, the transitive verb is a verb which is received by an object. Intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is a verb that does not pass over from the doer or subject to some object. It means that the action is not received by any object. For example, the baby sleeps. Baby is the subject or you can say doer of an action, and the action or the verb is sleeps and it is not being received by anything. The boy laughs loudly. Subject is boy, laughs is the verb and loudly is an adverb. It's not the object, it's an adverb and showing that how the boy is laughing. So the boy laughs loudly. This is also an intransitive verb.